to do here is I like to always have a very clear assignment board of what's due. So the students always know. Now, they know that, okay, spelling goes in folder 1. So they look over here, they go to folder 1, they put their spelling in folder 1, and I have my folders labeled. Math goes in folder 2. And this is just a reminder, picture money is due on Friday. So they can write in their little planner what they need to do. They always know what's due. And each day I take a new color so they know what is due. So if someone was absent, they'll know, okay, this is a day, this is another day. So they know which is which. And I have a folder designated for absent work, and they know if they were absent to write absent on the top of the paper, put it in the absent work folder. And I do have a late work folder. And I've learned to tell them on the first day of school that I don't like having late work, but if I do, this is how it works. And I found that if I say that on the first day of school, it locks in, but if I forget to say it, I get more late work. I don't know, something about the first day. Anyway, but I have the folders like this. What's nice is I can take the folder and just take it to my desk or take it home with me in my computer bag, however it works. It's kind of nice that way. It's all in one place. Also, the can do is what they can do when they're finished with their work. They can do any homework they still have. They can fill out their assignment book. They can read or take an AR test. I was in a school that had AR with all the grades. And they can go to a station or they can study their spelling. So you're not repeating yourself of what they can do when they're finished. Of course, by grade, you want to adjust that to the grade level. But it's nice that they can turn it in. Now what? Okay. So if you don't have a lot of room in your classroom, you could have your stations be notebooks like this. So this is a Lib Station. While learning the parts of speech, the students really get into Mad Libs. And so I would have some extra copies in here, and they could go with a partner to a designated place away from the others that are working, and they can do a Mad Lib together. And then they sign their names at the bottom. Be sure to do that. So they use words that are appropriate. And you can do a station for a creative writing station. You could do, we were learning about tessellations where they colored the patterns, and they were pretty complex tessellations. We'd have a notebook full of those. We had an Encyclopedia Explorer station, and they could learn more facts, but it's really fun because you can do this and not take up a lot of space. You don't have to have necessarily a counter for it. They can just go anywhere in the room with that. So that's a quick idea for you. What questions do you have?